Whoa, what is this?
Look, you're coughing already. You probably need it.
No, I don't.
Look how brave. Madeline's going to be brave girl, right? It's not going to be that bad, right? It's just really quick. And Nana was brave. Nana got it. You're making Madeline scared. Hey, listen to me. Focus. Go sit over there in that chair right now.
Do I have to get the flu shot?
What?
Do I have to get the flu shot?
No. Mimi thinks that you should get it.
No! No, she doesn't.
Mackie, you were having a meltdown. Now stop. You're coughing.
That's because I'm freaking yelling in my throat. I'm not kidding.
Madeline, you're being really brave. What do you think? Okay, what do you think about how Mackie's acting right now?
Temper tantrum.
I will ruin Madeline's and your life.
You're gonna ruin her life?
Yes.
What did I do?
I don't know, but I'm gonna ruin Mom's life.
Oh,
Because
thanks.
this
Why?
isn't mine.
But they have it here, and they think that...
Stop!